Don't worry, I have 5 more ways for you to upgrade your apartment for under $50. Alright, so you guys seem to like this video, so I'm going to make it a series. Now today we are going to move the budget up just a little bit, but I want to show you all of the game changers that are available for less than $50. And comment if you want to see a third. Alright, let's jump into this video. The first way that you can update your apartment for under $50 is to add furniture that has wheels. What are you talking about? Let me tell you. When you have furniture that has wheels, it helps you maximize your space and it helps you with your functionality of your space. Let's just say you want to throw a party and you need some space. You can simply roll things straight to the side. Boom. You're good. Now you can either buy furniture that has wheels or you could simply purchase casters and put them on the bottom of anything. I have done this multiple times. The dressers behind me are from IKEA, and at one point they were on casters because I needed to have my storage near me in different parts of the apartment, and so I just went to Home Depot and I grabbed some casters, drilled them on. I was done. Now there are 3 items in my apartment that has wheels currently. One is my desk that's behind me. I love the fact that I'm able to change up my working spaces simply by moving the desk around. That is what has held me back from getting a standing desk. I like the mobility. I also have a cart in my bathroom, and this cart is game changing. Okay, the first time that I was introduced to it was when I went to New York for New Year's Eve, and we stayed in a really nice 5-star hotel, and they had small bathrooms because duh, it's New York. They had a cart. It was chrome and it had like glass on the top, and it was the most genius thing to me. I was like, this is so smart. They had some essentials on top. They had extra towels on there, and I was like, why didn't I do this in my apartment? Anyway, so I decided to do that. So I purchased this cart from Amazon. It was really easy to put together, and I'm able to keep so many things on this cart. Now, you can make it cute, put plants or towels, simple things, maybe some toilet paper to make it nice, or you can use it like how I use it, everyday things that I need. The top layer, Bay and I keep like essentials. He has a little bag with all his toiletries. I'm like, you ain't trying to leave, are you? Like, you got your stuff in a bag. No, I'm just playing. But anyway, I'm just like, everything is right there. Deodorant, toothbrush, all of that stuff, toothpaste, everything's right there. The second shelf I use for skincare. So my towels that I only use for my face, that's a whole nother video, but I only use specific towels for my face. I don't even wash them with the rest of the towels. And I like to keep my lotions and things. And in my third shelf, I like to keep my hair supplies. So all things hair goes at the bottom. And it is just really nice. It keeps my counter from becoming cluttered, and it also allows me to move things around really easily. Let's just say I need to mop the floor or whatever. I just roll it out and roll it back in. And when my cleaners come, I'm able to take it out so they don't have to even be bothered with it. They can get in there and do what they need to do. So I really love this cart. A lot of times you can find these carts at IKEA. I know they have a Ross cart, and then like I said, Amazon has good carts too. That's where I purchased mine from. And what you want to pay attention to so that it looks high end is the legs, the casters. You want them to be around the same color. I even thought about spray painting my silver part black because that's what just really takes it to the next level and makes the cart seem more expensive than it actually is. So definitely try out a cart in your bathroom if you run it low on space. These carts can also be used for a lot of different things. I know a lot of new moms use these carts for like baby stuff. You could also use them for like a guest cart. If you have people coming over, you can like load it up with snacks, or if you don't have extra space in your bathroom, you can give your guest a rolling cart with all of the essentials that they need, all the towels, slippers, all that type of stuff. And then you also could use the cart for like hobbies, craft supplies. What's another thing you can use this cart for? Oh, you can use it in the kitchen for extra storage. You can use this cart for anything. I really, really like it. And I also purchased another piece of furniture that has wheels on it, and that is my table. Back in December, I did a brand deal and I was gifted a mini dryer, and this thing is super cool. I love it because I'm able to put my shoes in there and I can like clean my shoes off, throw them in there, and then they dry and my shoes are not wrinkled. So I love this thing, but it is you know, it's pretty big. It's not huge, but it needed a home. I always like to give my things a home. And for the longest, it was sitting on the floor. And I'm like, okay, I need this room to be as clutter-free as possible, but I still like my mini dryer. So I went to Amazon and I found a piece of furniture with wheels on it that would accommodate this mini dryer. Now it sits at the bottom and then the top is completely free, just a nice flat surface. So this has become my laundry cart. And I love it because if I'm folding anything, I can just, you know, fold it right then and there on my cart. And then if I don't get around to putting stuff up, I can just kind of set it there, and it's literally like my designated laundry cart. So those are just some of the pieces of furniture that I have with wheels on them. And like I said, it is definitely a game changer. Oh, and I almost forgot. Now this isn't furniture, but I used to have my TV mounted in this room, but I removed it from the wall and I bought a TV stand, a rolling TV stand that does a really good job of not falling over. And it allows me to use my TV as a monitor when I'm working out in the living room and I want to tether my computer with the HDMI cord. And if a guest comes over and they want to watch television, then I can just roll it back in here. So it's just really nice having things with wheels on it because it just opens up your space and it is a complete game changer. Now you can update your apartment for under $50 by simply swapping out your hardware. This is the most easiest and affordable way to upgrade any space on a small budget. Now I said under $50, but honestly, you can upgrade your space for under $20 because I have come across plenty of pieces of hardware that is very affordable. And you can purchase these knobs, pulls, and drawer handles online or at your local hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, you name it. I think I love it because it's literally like giving your furniture or your space a little mini facelift, and you can purchase different styles. So if you have more of a modern home, you can go for a modern pool or a rustic or, you know, country. You get the point. Now let's talk about where I have updated my pools in my place because it is a lot. Okay, are you ready? All right, don't judge me. All right, let's start with my bookcase because that's really where it all started. I have had like a boho look, like the faux leather pools. Now I currently have silver pools. At one point I had like the little diamond crystal kind of pools. I don't know what I was thinking because that is totally not even my style, but I just wanted it. So I've updated my bookcases. I've also used them on doors. I have a 2099 apartment. I think this was built in 99 or 2000, and so they have the bifolding metal doors, and although I'm not, you know, totally against them, they definitely have the ugliest hardware ever. So I updated my pools on multiple folding doors in my apartment, and I found that I like the square pools. I don't really like the round ones, and so I've purchased those. Oh, I've also added hardware to different pieces of furniture. So basically I purchased this box from IKEA and I added some molding to it. I actually showed the whole thing over on TikTok. Matter of fact, let me just show you. I'm gonna insert one of my videos from TikTok. So basically I took this box and I added some trim from the hardware store. I didn't even use a nail gun. I used peel and stick double-sided tape and I added the trim. I upgraded the box from this plain box to a little bit more detailed, and then I was like, I should add some pulls because I have some left over. So I used my wire cutter and I cut the screw part of the handle off, and then I added some double-sided tape, nano tape that is, and I just stuck it to the front of it, and it looked intentional. And so that is one of the other reasons why I love using pull handles and knobs to kind of like bring the space together. Oh, I also did this in another makeover. Back in 2020, my best friend asked me to make over her extra spare bedroom into a walk-in closet. And I was like, absolutely, yes, I will. So I ended up ordering a bunch of stuff and I flew up there, put it all together and designed a room. Now, the vanity that we chose had these really pretty round pools, and they actually are my favorite pools. And so I went to Amazon and I found some similar and I added them to the mound dresser, and it just looks so beautiful to me. And if I didn't add those pools, that room wouldn't even have the final look that it had. So don't be afraid of pulls and knobs. They will definitely upgrade your space. Oh, and then there was that time that I made over my shoe cabinet in my entryway, another basic IKEA piece. I added contact paper and new pulls, and it looks like it came from a high-end store, in my opinion. I'm just saying. And if you're finding value at this point, like the video and subscribe, because that's all we talk about over here. All right, the next way to upgrade your apartment for under $50 is to utilize tape. Electrical tape, border sticker tape, all of it. They are game changers. So let me tell you about the time that I made over my bathroom and I used 50-cent electrical tape to sprucing up my outdated rental bathroom. Now, I had actually learned this trick from my mom a long time ago, because one of the builder grade mirrors had that little piece that was starting to fade, and so she just put a little electrical tape there. And as I was doing this bathroom over, I thought about that and I was like, let me just put a little tape in. And I thought even more, and I was like, let me frame this out. So I did that. And when I tell you, if you don't tell anybody, they won't know. Because what I love about electrical tape is it almost has like a leather finish. Not leather, but like faux leather finish. So do not overlook electrical tape. And let me show you this clip where I am literally adding it like nobody's business, and you would not even know. But the trick to it is to put the tape halfway on the mirror and then roll it around, because it almost looks like it's a true frame. I don't think I shared that in the video. And if you want to watch that video, go ahead and do so. I'll have it linked in the description box. It's like over 1.6 million views at this point. You guys really like that video. But yes, electrical tape is definitely a game changer, and who knew that it could be chic. Now, I've also done this same thing in this room. I have a mirror that's sitting right in front of me, and I purchased this mirror from IKEA. It's called the Hobbit mirror. It is really big, really tall, but it has a silver casing, or the frame is silver. And I was like, this would look so much better if it was black, especially because of the other things that I have in this room. So I had border stickers, which I was using in my entryway. And I was like, I want to take this border sticker down, but I really don't want to throw it out. Let's see if I can frame my mirror. And I did just that. And it literally transformed my mirror using something that I had already purchased for something else. So do not count stickers out. The other place that I used stickers, the same border sticker, because it's thick, it works really good for like toe kicks. A lot of old apartments are extremely raggedy, and sometimes if you just don't want to look at it, it's better to just cover it up. And so that's what I did underneath my kitchen cabinet. I just covered it up. But I do want to be very honest and transparent with you. I really wish I would have said something, because I had the same problem in my bathroom and they just replaced the cabinet. So I probably should have just told the office and they would have just completely changed it. But yeah, stickers are amazing. Tape is amazing. Heck, I even had some of you guys over on TikTok sending me videos and tagging me in videos. That viral idea definitely changed the game. All right, the next way to upgrade your apartment for under $50 is to use the humble ottoman. I love a good ottoman. This is the hardest working piece of furniture in my place, okay? Because not only do you get furniture, you get storage solutions, you also can make your space feel nice and cozy. You want to kick your feet up, boom, ottoman. You want to set your drink down, if it's a hard surface, ottoman. Like, I really love a good ottoman, and I purchased one about a year ago, and I got it from Target, and it is the cutest ottoman ever. It's velvet gray, and it also has black legs, very sleek black legs, and you can put a lot of stuff in the inside. One of the things that I love about having a bathroom big enough for a little stool, I never feel like I want to just leave out of the bathroom. It almost feels like an ensuite to me, just being able to sit down and brush my teeth, get my thoughts together, whatever. Okay, this might be TMI, but sometimes I sit on the ottoman and talk to Bae if he's on the toilet. Like, it's crazy, but I love having an ottoman. They are amazing. And I couldn't find the exact ottoman that I have, but I did find something very similar from Target. as well, and I will link it in the description box down below. Hey, did you hit the like and subscribe button? Okay, thank you. The next way to upgrade your apartment for under $50 is to utilize fabric storage bins or textured storage bins. I have done this so many times with 3 different baskets or bins. I always talk about clutter, and I always say clutter ain't cute, because it's not. I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. There's no way you can have a really nice designed house and you have clutter everywhere. It just shows that you don't have enough space. You want to make it seem like your space is big, hide your clutter. So the way I have done this is I have used Drona boxes from IKEA on top of my wire shelves, and I love the Drona boxes because you can throw clothes in there, you can throw whatever in there, and they're tall enough to they take up all the space at the top of your closet, and so you're not wasting any of your precious real estate. Now, the other place that I've used baskets and boxes is in this room. Before I converted it and took the wire rack out, I had some bins from Target, which I actually just sold here on this channel, and those bins are really nice because if you really look at the pattern very closely, it's the same pattern as the Goyard high-end designer. You didn't even peep that. I just put you on. So yeah, I really like those boxes and baskets from Target because if you really look at them, they're designer inspired. But they also do the same thing. They make your space a lot more usable by utilizing all of your vertical space. And then the last box that I've used in my apartment is from IKEA. I forget the name, but these boxes are really, really nice because they have texture, and it has like that natural element texture, and you can assemble them really easily. They come flat. You just kind of put them together, and I have housed so much stuff in these boxes, and I'm able to have a box for like samples. I think one of my boxes is a sample box because as an interior designer, you get a lot of little samples, you know, from different places. So I needed somewhere to put all of those things, and that's what I chose. So whatever you do, definitely try out some storage boxes. They are game changers. Oh, and then I almost forgot, I have really nice file boxes that I purchased from Amazon. They are really big. They have the little metal pieces in the inside, so I can put all of my file folders on there nice and easy and maintain my organization. And I like to have a box for pretty much everybody in the family, the dog, everybody. And you can stack them up if you don't have space like in a bookcase, or if you do have a bookcase or a shelf or something like that, you can put them in a shelf. There's a lot of options. But yes, storage is key, and storage boxes really help out with that. Now, if you are in need of some decluttering and storage assistance, then go ahead and click the link in the description box as well as in the comments, because I have a free guide that's going to give you the full tea on stylish storage. And hi, my name is Wayna. I make rental-friendly interior design videos, and if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more apartment upgrades for under $20, then click on this video right here. This is a series, and so I'll be coming with more upgrades for you. Be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!